definitely classroom management was something that wasn't covered very well in my course. We had one lecture on it. We learnt it on teaching rounds a lot, though, because obviously you're in the classroom and having that control. But I found that sometimes because you had a mentor teaching the room, the kids would behave a little bit differently, sometimes good, sometimes bad. And if things get really bad, then they have to step in. So you can observe how to handle it, but you don't get that opportunity to handle it yourself. I felt like I wasn't aware of how much work was required behind the scenes in terms of keeping track of absences, which I actually don't do very well because I'm still trying to figure it out. I know it's marking a role, it's straightforward. Yeah. Don't quote me then. But still, like, just keeping track of the student marks, writing feedback on tests and grading tests and how long all that takes. And that becomes quite a big part of some days and can be very absorbing. Just how long it takes to plan a unit. There wasn't really a lot on planning units because on rounds you just have a lesson here and a lesson there. You don't get to generally see things throughout. And trying to figure out what's required is pretty, I don't know, you learn a lot about that. I'm going to stop there because otherwise I will go on. But yeah. Thank you.